couple of pennies.
Give me that. Nigga, I don't know what this church is.
Man,
Do it. I knocked your brains out, my nigga.
my poor eye. My baby's dead.
Hi, honey. Hi, what's going?
What the hell? Who did this to you? Who did this to you? Nadia. Who? Nadia.
Nadia.
Yeah.
Get your... Get up, Mal. It's time for school.
You're supposed to be my best friend.
I am your best friend.
Oh my God, Nadia. I said that serious face. I had the worst dream ever. I was pregnant, and you were a bully, and you killed my baby, and you stole my money, and then threw it at me, and said it was chump change.
We need help.
Earlier.
Your baby died.
No! You're supposed to leave her.
Oh, that's crazy. Now give me your money, fool.